Step 4, made a searching and fearless moral inventory of ourselves. In step 4, we begin the process of looking at flaws in our character, also known as defects of character, that all humans have. Anyone can trip over any of them at any given time, but step 4 shows us for the first time that there's a difference between identifying a higher power or spirituality as the way to go, and also understanding that at any given moment of any given day, we're going to be blocked from this power through these things we call defects of character. In recovery circles in the 12 steps, we concentrate mainly on 4: selfishness, dishonesty, resentment, and fear. We take a look at them, a moral inventory of ourselves. For many of us, this is the first time we've ever done something like this. We're used to taking inventory of other people, but for the first time, we're going to turn that inward and see if we can't shine a light on the real problem. So we list them, we analyze them. For the first time in our life, many of them begin to see how futile and how fatal they are, and how this is a zero-sum game. Living on our own free will only is only going to get us so far, and we begin to see the importance of the spiritual, and that maybe we haven't been given the spiritual component of life enough credit. So we take a look at all that, we get it all down on paper, we learn some prayers that are embedded with it, some answers that come in the form of little prayers, and for the first time in our lives, many of us have a real answer that we can start working towards.